WHO has declared a PHEIC for a Bundibujo Ebola outbreak in eastern DRC, and Tedros has pledged direct support and visits to Bunia. Conflict, attacks on health facilities and disrupted transport are making response operations difficult and are impeding vaccine and medical deliveries. This will force responders to prioritize security and community trust. Vaccine development and distribution timelines will lengthen unless access and local cooperation improve. BP has removed Albert Manifold as chair with immediate effect after the board cited serious concerns about governance, oversight, and conduct. The board is grappling with tensions between a cost-cutting, control-minded chair and a CEO who is shifting BP away from renewables. That fight is testing corporate governance and investor confidence. The company will search for a permanent chair who will determine how tightly the board controls strategy, which will shape BP's capital allocation, risk appetite, and investor sentiment. Kenneth Law has pleaded guilty in Ontario to aiding suicide, and prosecutors have said they will ask a judge to account for deaths in Britain when sentencing. Canadian and UK investigators are coordinating, sharing victim evidence, and centralizing legal action to avoid multiple, lengthy prosecutions and extradition fights. This will concentrate punishment in Canada, will speed outcomes for families, and will increase pressure on UK authorities to open a public inquiry and tighten rules on online sale of lethal chemicals. Alan Milburn has produced an interim review showing almost 1 million 16 to 24s are not in education, employment or training, and that entry-level roles are declining. The government is facing rising needs because employers are offering fewer first jobs, mental health and digital culture are blocking access, and current incentives are misaligned. Ministers will have to choose policies that will either slow youth wage alignment and subsidize hiring, or risk a permanent rise in youth disengagement and lost productivity. Police have identified Jacob Baker as the central suspect in 3 killings in Pune, and have tied the victims to nearby off-grid properties. Investigators are mapping Baker's movements, reviewing prior complaints, and using scarce local resources to collect evidence, while the community is coping with fear and mistrust. The investigation will produce autopsy results and charging decisions that will shape prosecutions, and will increase pressure to improve rural policing and community safety.